MODENA Refrigerator Allegra RF 2551S, keeping your groceries as fresh as day one. Connect the device to power cord and the LED screen will automatically be turned on. The screen is operated with touch control system. To set the fridge temperature, hold the fridge icon and tap repeatedly. To set freezer temperature, hold the freezer icon and tap it repeatedly. Tap and hold the lock icon to enable and disable temperature setting. The exterior has a new sleek handle design for more sophisticated look. It has 339 liters fridge capacity and 177 liters freezer capacity. Let's explore more features from this refrigerator. LED lights helps you navigate through your storage easily. Strong and adjustable shelves, made from tempered glass and are easy to move. Multiflow Cooling System allows pure cool air to spread evenly. Deodorizer removes unpleasant odors for maximum freshness. Fresh Keeper Drawer keeps the balance of humidity and moisture level in fruits and vegetables. Maintenance tips: disconnect from electrical source before cleaning. Clean the exterior with damp cloth and a dash of soap.